Welcoming you all. Today let's see how to prepare a dandruff oil at home. So few viewers requested me to prepare this dandruff oil. Now let's get started and see how to prepare this dandruff oil. So a perfect one for dandruff. I have taken a handful of neem leaves. So wash the neem leaves well. Add the neem leaves to a blender jar. 2 betel leaves. So when you see, the betel leaves are also used in treating dandruff, and I have taken about 10 small onions. So wash them well. For dandruff, if you see, fenugreek seeds, small onion, neem leaves as well as the betel leaves play a major role in treating dandruff. I have taken about 1 teaspoon of soaked methi seeds and 2 garlic and 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorn. So adding garlic and peppercorn will prevent cold. Like few people, when they apply oil, they tend to catch cold. When we apply oil, few people tend to catch cold and few may not. While adding garlic and peppercorn will prevent cold. Like all the ingredients which we have added have natural coolant properties, so adding garlic and peppercorn is a must. Add little water and blend it into a fine paste. So a paste is ready. I have taken about 100 ml of gingerly oil, and along with this I am adding about 100 ml of coconut oil. Now transfer this blended paste to this oil mixture. So there are 2 ways of preparing this oil. Like one method is the double boiler method. The double boiler method is where you heat water, like you boil water in a wide vessel, wide and heavy bottomed vessel, and you place this oil and blended mixture vessel over it, and we are going to boil it. So if you do so by the double boiler method, then the oil will stay good only for a week. After a week you may see like fungal growth in the oil. So if you want the oil to stay for a longer time, then the double boiler method will not suit. The method in which I am going to prepare today, the oil will stay good for about 2 months, where we are going to directly heat the oil. So instead of the double boiler method, we are going to directly heat the oil in a wide vessel. So this will stay good for about 2 months. So now boil this mixture well until the water content in this blended paste completely goes off. So stir it continuously so that the mixture doesn't get burnt at the bottom. So this oil helps in treating dandruff and also increases your hair density. Like few people may suffer from dandruff and few may have itching problems which are caused due to sweating. So this oil helps you in treating both. Like the neem leaves, they have antibacterial and antifungal properties, and the regenerative properties present in the neem leaf will reduce hair fall, and it conditions your hair and prevents the frizziness in the hair, and it also prevents baldness and strengthens the hair. Betel leaves, like already I said, it's used in treating dandruff, reduces the hair fall and promotes hair growth. So wait until the oil has been boiled well. So stir it continuously so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. So cook it in a low flame. So small onion, everyone knows they have lots and lots of properties. So now when you see the blended paste, when you press and see it, you'll be having a buttery consistency. This is not the consistency, perfect consistency. So we have to wait a little more time so that our oil gets ready. Now when you sprinkle water, the oil starts to boil, so this is not the consistency. So whenever we sprinkle water to the oil, it should start to splutter. So now as you can see, it is not spluttering, so wait for some more time. So few people say like when we apply onion juice to our hair, it increases the volume. Now our oil has reached the correct consistency. So when we press the blended paste, you will get a sandy texture. So this is the exact consistency for our oil. Now when you sprinkle water to the oil starts to splutter. So this is the exact consistency for our oil. Now turn off the flame and allow it to cool down. Once it cools down completely, take a nice and clean vessel and strain it using a cotton cloth. Squeeze the residue completely. So our dandruff oil is ready. So this oil you can apply it while taking your hair bath. You can use it as a massage oil. So when you use this oil for a week, you'll get rid of the dandruff and the itchiness. So our simple and easy dandruff oil is ready. Try out this dandruff oil and let us know your feedback. If you like our video, like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.